香港大學秉承過百年嘅優秀傳統，歷年嚟吸引無數嚟自唔同背景與領域嘅國際著名學者加入。近年更加係積極延攬人才，當中包括2023年諾貝爾物理學獎得主 Ferenc Krausz。
The University of Hong Kong is one of the best universities of the world. The university is highly attractive, is attracting a lot of young talents from all over the world. We could not be successful in our research if we would not be able to attract the best talents to work with us.
啱啱加入港大嘅仲有越南數學家吳寶珠，佢喺2010年破解咗一項30年嚟冇人能夠證明嘅理論，並獲得數學領域諾貝爾獎級別嘅菲爾茲獎。
KU leadership reassure me that they have ambition to grow the math department to become a world-class center of mathematics. And I'm really eager to be, a part of that effort.
頂尖人才唔單止可以成就具影響力嘅研究成果，更加可以幫港大及香港發掘同吸引更多一流人才，形成良性循環，打造國際人才庫。